I am Dr. Santosh Agrawal. I am going to present the video on an innovative visco chopper through which the visco can be delivered inside the antechamber. It acts as a two-way function. It acts as a chopper and also as a visco delivery system. So this is applied to the silicon oil port or the vitrectomy port on the console, and the silicon oil system is used for this purpose. Instead of silicon oil we use visco, and this is the knob on the foot pedal which is given by the company for activation of this port. You can see the VAPI port on the console which is specially made for this purpose by Turbovit Appasamy machine. And this is a challenging case, white cataract. The intracapsular pressure is very high, so it is very difficult to perform the CCC in such cases. And as the visco is delivered as and when necessary, you can make the antechamber deep, as well as you can see the peripheral extension of CCC can happen at this moment. So we can inject the visco at this moment and we can avoid this peripheral extension of the CCC. This is the intumescent cataract. We are extracting the liquid cortex from the capsular bag through the tiny opening, and one is injecting one port. Through one port we are injecting the visco through a automated visco delivery system, so we can take out the fluid cortex. At the same time we can inject the visco. Now this is the PC rent which has taken place, and to avoid the extension of the PC rent we can inject the visco inside the antechamber through this chopper, so that the antechamber depth is maintained, IOP is maintained, and the visco will take care of PC rent and the vitreous. Now this is the small pupil. It is very difficult to perform the CCC, so visco can be delivered and you can have CCC with ease. This is another case of hypermature cataract challenging situation. Here I used AC maintainer to deliver the visco. It can maintain the antechamber, and you can extract the fluid cortex, the liquid cortex, through the main incision or through the extractor. This is another challenging situation where the last piece of the nucleus, while removing you need good AC depth, otherwise PC rent can happen. This is another challenging case of lens induced glaucoma case. Corneal edema is there, iris is coming out through the wound, lot of IOP pressure in spite of all measures we have taken, anti-glaucoma measures. So this visco inside the antechamber can give you protection from the endothelial damage. This is another scleral fixation IOL case where lot of manipulation is required, and the chances of hypotony is there. So to avoid that, the through AC maintainer visco is delivered inside the antechamber and the IOP is well maintained. Pediatric cataract case, the CCC is very difficult because of obvious reasons: elastic capsule, less rigidity, scleral rigidity. So to maintain the IOP and antechamber depth, visco is delivered through the AC maintainer. This is a hard cataract, supra hard cataract. Endothelial damage can happen in routine cases, but with the help of visco you can avoid that. And this is the manual way of delivering the visco inside the antechamber through the visco chopper. And initially I showed you the automated technique. So this helps in a complicated cataract cases, phaco cases, to deal with the endothelial damage, to maintain the AC depth. The manipulation are easy and to perform, and the PC rent also can be managed very well, and we can avoid the PC rent in most of the cases. This is the silicone oil system which we have utilized for this purpose, and especially visco chopper is made by 26 gauge needle, and the special needle is made by the company. Thank you very much for your patient listening.